Hello everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here. And today I want to give a flip through of this sticker book that my husband got me from Michael's. It's right up my alley because I love nature and eastern woodlands. So after you get all the stickers off of one page, you could actually use the papers as the back papers as papers in your journal if you wanted to. So we got some flowers and butterflies. Oh, is that gorgeous or what? Mushrooms. Oh, I love these end papers or whatever you call them. Some, I don't know, medieval kind of things. So pretty. More mushrooms. Little elves and fairies. Fairies. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, here we go. Woodland animals. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know what you call these. They're almost like book plate kind of things. Oh, inks and paints, art supplies. That's cute. A little chipmunk. Painting. This was well worth the what was it, $21.99? Yep. Yeah, $21.99. Clocks. Watches, I should say. Oh, portraits. And some other butterflies. This looks like jewels. Jeweled butterflies. Pretty. Oh my goodness. How am I going to use all this stuff? It's going to be hard to not want to just hoard it. Ooh, bunnies and foxes. Perfect for this time of year. Look at all those bees. Cool. Ooh, how pretty is that? And I don't know, just some more flowers and two ladies. Pretty purple. Strawberries. These look like stained glass windows. Some whimsical kind of illustrations going on here. Frogs, mushrooms, frogs and bunnies, and a cat. I've seen this cat before. Fairies and butterflies. More woodland creatures. And like pine cones and acorns. Fairies, or, well, maybe not. They don't have wings. Forest ladies. Vases. Deer. Oh, I don't know what you would call this page, but it's cute. More woodland creatures. That's a badger. You don't see them very often in stickers. Owls. Did I turn that page too fast? A bunny reading. This must just be a paper page. Oh, now we're getting into just papers. Wow. Beetles. So, oh, this is perforated, so I could take these out and use them in a journal. And yeah, that would be interesting. Is it all the same backup pages from here? I think it is. Huh. I don't know, maybe some of them are the same. There, that was the same. Some are different. These are just papers. They're not stickers. That's pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could make a background collage with these. Beetles. Those are acorns. These are acorns too. And that's it. Oh, so thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you liked this book, or if you have it already. And then I wouldn't mind suggestions on what you think I could do with this book. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.